Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Beijing DoubleTree. We're in room 918. We're gonna go in. It's a very nice room, very large. Okay, and what we have here, let's start with the restroom. You have a mirror. Again, this is a glass wall with a shade that comes down. So we lowered it for privacy, but all of your Crabtree stuff, a hair dryer, a mirror, and then a large shower with a drain and no bidet, but this is a very large restroom in here. Let's continue in with the video. All right, I've set my bags over here. Nice little place here. We have large closets. We have an umbrella and we have an iron, and I don't know what that is. Yeah, and an ironing board. And then over here we have the safe and some place to hang your stuff. There you go, and robes and slippers. Nice. Okay. And then a laundry bag. Nice. Okay. So automatic lights in there. Let's go. Look, we have two. This is a two twin bed, but they look more like doubles, so they're very nice and wide. The beds are, and we have a large TV. There is a mini fridge that is not on. That's warm, but okay. A kettle, water they said for us to have. Nice large area, a sitting area here. And let's see, let's look out the window and see what we can see. Yes, look, there you go. It's a good view out of the window here into the courtyard. And we're gonna go explore this place, but that's it, guys. And here you can see the light for the restroom. So that's it. That is the DoubleTree, Beijing. It's in the center of the city. It took about an hour to get here by car. So think about that when you're planning your trip. But otherwise, we're going to be here. We're going to go to the Great Wall and we're going to explore. So again, have a great day, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and we'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye now.